Hi everyone. This video is to show the shortcomings and features of the virtual queue system. And let me start with the shortcomings. When you register, you are required to enter a code because right now that code, which is the same you use when you log in, doesn't have an expiration, which means that you can log in anytime to the park with the same code and add rides every day, anytime. So that code needs to have an expiration and the register form needs to be updated. Also, on the same register form, users should be asked to enter weight and height, and the rules I have to check if user can queue for a ride or not should be extended to check user's age, weight, and height to determine if they can queue or not. Also, when queuing for a ride, users that go with children should be allowed to enter how many children they want to add to the same ride and their children's age. In addition, every time user asks a ride, an acknowledgement and disclaimer form should be presented and accepted by users. In addition, more instances of the same ride can be created. For example, we can have the same ride that goes for 10 minutes, including loading and unloading. And we can have one ride starting at -0 and the other instances of the ride starting at -5. So we can allow more people to register and the flow of the park will be better. As of now, the virtual queue system has just one instance of each ride created. Now, the virtual queue system can have new features, of course. A functionality that makes use of a scan reader to automatically read and enter the code with an expiration date when you sign in, so the ticket and ability to sign for rides would just be valid for that day would actually be perfect. Geolocation can be used, so the email notification job can calculate when to send the notification to the user according to how far the user is from the right location he needs to be next. Security roles needs to be implemented using a Spring Security Layer and Interceptor to filter the request and apply it. Admin functionalities can be extended by allowing him to modify any properties of the available rides at the venue. For example, he can modify how many users can ride it simultaneously and the instances of the ride. Another admin functionality can be the ability to enable and/or disable rides at the venue. There can also be another functionality when you can keep track of which ride user goes to most and which ride has the greater waiting time for the venue info. And using that info, the venue can create promotions per each ride, and once users ride it, they can send users coupons to spend at the restaurants, for example. And that's all the shortcomings and features of the virtual queue system. Thank you for watching.